Hey, Kryptonians, welcome. This is Shamari Clark. You're welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. It's Friday night. Let's get down to business, shall we? Let's get the news of the day going. Today, we're looking at our market caps. Everything's looking good. We're in the green. Not so much, but better than being in the red, I'll tell you that. So, other than Bitcoin Cash, everything else is in the green. We're looking at a 0.15% down on Bitcoin Cash. Everything else is up. Up to 3.42 for TRON. You know TRON is moving to its mainnet. Guys, get your TRON money ready. Binance. You got to get to Binance. Get your money on Binance, and you're going to get your new TRON coins, okay? And rounding out the top 10 as usual, we've got our usual suspects: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar IOTA, and TRON. TRON's the big one, guys. Get ready. The mainnet launch. Get your TRON. Get your coins, get that loot. All right, so let's head on over to our news of the day. Coinbase. They're going to allow us to earn interest on our cryptocurrency holdings. So it's going to be like a bank account, but you're going to get interest on it. So let's get into that. Coinbase's new venture capital fund has announced strategic investment with Compound, a startup that is building money market accounts for cryptocurrency investors. So you're going to actually put your cryptos in an account, just like your regular bank account, and you are going to gain interest. Yes, you are going to just gain interest for holding it. Not the proof of stake interest, which you get from the cryptocurrency, but you're actually going to get it from the bank itself, your own interest in the bank, okay? Compound is the first project to receive venture funding from Coinbase as part of the company's new efforts for fostering blockchain innovation. Coinbase's funding is part of a larger 8.2 million seed funding round, which pools other backers, including Bain Capital Ventures. Remember Bain Capital? Hey, guys, remember Bain Capital? You remember a little guy named Mitt Romney? That's his company. Bain Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, and Polychain Capital, with participation from Transmedia Capital, Compound Ventures, Abstract Ventures, and Hua Capital. All rich guys, obviously, doing this. So while other coin and token projects have debated ways to generate interest or dividend income, Compound has run with this idea. Compound's mission is to put cryptocurrencies to work that now sit idle on exchanges and in wallets, yielding an interest. In other words, listen, guys, when our money's sitting in an exchange or a wallet, it's not gaining interest. It's not gaining money. Your bank account gains money. When your stuff is just sitting on the exchange in a wallet, it does nothing. These guys are going to make it more like a real bank. You're going to have crypto, which is, sort of the opposite of banking, but you're going to get interest off your money. So your money will just sit there, and you're going to get interest. So you're going to get a residual income, a dividend, right? So the guy who runs it, Leshner, he says, when Compound launches its first money markets on the Ethereum blockchain, individuals, institutions, and applications will earn interest on Ether, stable coins, and utility coins with complete liquidity, similar to the overnight rate for dollars and government currencies. So just like your regular bank account. The core technology behind Compound is a decentralized blockchain infrastructure that is centered around a series of open source smart contracts. Remember, smart contracts, you code them in, you do one thing, the computers automatically do another thing. You complete your end of the bargain, the computer automatically makes the rest of the bargain happen. As part of the smart contracts, the interest rates for each asset adjust dynamically in response to the borrowing demand for that asset. An algorithm makes these adjustments in real time according to the project's white paper. So check out the white paper, guys. See if you like it. I'm not shilling. Like I said, I don't tell you what to do with your money. You do with your money what we want. We're not shilling around here. We're not telling you to buy stuff. Oh, Shamar, you're making me buy this because you own it. That's why you're trying to make me buy. No. My portfolio's fat. My portfolio's sick. My portfolio's great. Okay, I'm not trying to get you to buy or sell anything. I just give you information around these parts. So come to this. Also, so here are the money market assets they are now offering. We've got the basic attention token, Dragon Chain Ether, Omis Go, Ox, and Volatile Demo Token. Never heard of some of those, but if you're interested, go take a look. The company's target market is of institutional investors, which is good for us. That means institutional investors, the guys bringing the money into the markets. As long as they bring their money into the markets, buy those. Look. I'm buying 5,000-6,000 Ripple. When the big institutional investors come in, they're going to be buying 5-6 million Ripple, pushing our Ripple holdings up, pushing our whatever coin you have, Cardano, Monero, TRON, whatever you've got. When the big money comes, that's when our holdings are going to go up. Remember that next year, 2020, we're going to be rich. I said the word rich, okay? So the company's market is of institutional investors, which is also in line with Coinbase. You know, Coinbase just rolled out their new institutional investor program. So we're going to start seeing millions of dollars rolling into Coinbase itself as an exchange, but also into the market as a whole, okay? Compound's core technology also eases reporting since each money market is transparent, auditable, and completely predictable. Coinbase itself has also worked hard on institutional grade reporting as part of efforts for becoming an SEC regulated brokerage. And that's the key, guys. That's the key. You know, the SEC and the government are going to come in. They're going to regulate. They are going to start regulating. They're not going to let people get ripped off. But that's the good thing. Regulation is a good thing. I know you have your libertarian dreams of a money with no government behind it. Look, guys, like I said in the other videos and like I'm going to say tonight, Bill Gates ain't putting his billions in unless there's some regulation to make sure he's got his money. Zuckerberg ain't putting his billions in. Jamie Dimon ain't putting their billions in. These institutional investors aren't going to get to grab millions of dollars unless there's regulation. People need to feel safe that their money is at least being treated fairly. I mean, you can lose it. You know, it's like the stock market. You make a good bet, you go up. You make a bad bet, you go down. But at least it's fair. And that's what they want to know. And as long as regulation comes in, we're going to get mad money, and the money is going to drive our holdings up. You are going to be rich with your holdings. So hodl, always hodl, and wait for the big money to come. And like we just showed you, the big money's coming. And if you don't believe me that the big money's coming, you know what the next story is? Bam. Goldman Sachs, people, releases its own ERC-20 based stablecoin tied to what? The biggest currency in the world, USD. That stands for US dollars. You know I'm a Forex trader. Go to forexfactory.com, type my name in at the top, SHOMARI. You'll see my older trades. You'll see that you're talking to a real investor and a real trader. I've been in this game for over 10 years, guys. And look at this. Goldman Sachs is about to release their ERC-20 token. That is big news. Let's go down and check it out. Goldman Sachs owned financial technology startup Circle, so Circle is the name of the company, announced that they would be releasing a stable coin pegged to the value of the US dollar. The coin was designed as the US coin. It will function as a tokenized fiat money. So it's going to be like regular money, but just digital. Cool. With Circle stating that the coin is very important for enabling mainstream adoption of the blockchain for payments. The coin also supports maturation in blockchains that include smart contract systems. Remember we talked about the smart contracts. You make a contract, you program it in, one party does what they need to do, boop, boop, boop. The computer automatically executes, boop, 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 on the other end what that part needs to do. Okay? The coin also supports maturation in blockchain and smart contract in terms of financial contracts such as tokenized securities, loans, and property. So this is going to get into a few areas of our society, loans and property. That's very nice. USD coin allows users to use the USDC fiat tokens for crypto trading and payments while also providing a full reserve USD-backed stablecoin. In other words, it's going to be backed by real money that they hold. It's not, no offense, but not like Bitcoin, which is just we kind of decide what it's going to be worth. This is actually going to be backed by real U.S. dollars. Obviously, it's Goldman Sachs, so they have a bunch of U.S. dollars. You know what I'm talking about? It's Goldman Sachs. So USDC aims to solve this problem by providing detailed financial and operational transparency. They also say that they will operate within the regulatory framework of U.S. money transmission laws, which is to be expected from a company owned by the fifth largest bank in the United States. In other words, Goldman Sachs ain't playing. They're not playing around these parts. Around these parts, Goldman Sachs is running things, and they're saying they're looking at the crypto market, and they see value. They see money. They see profits being made, but they're smart. They're saying, hey, America, we see the money. You just tell us how to make it, and we'll comply with your regulations. We're Goldman Sachs. We'll comply with any regulation you want because we see value here. We see money here. And that's what they're going to do. As you can see, we just went through it, right? The coin is built. So the particular coin, now let's look at their the strategy. It's an ERC-20 token, standard for tokens, and therefore can be used on any exchange that supports the standard and can be used with any ERC-20 compatible digital wallet. So, when this comes out, you buy it, you put it in a wallet, My Ether wallet, any of those ERC-20 token wallets will take it. And that's that. Other investors, so it's not just Goldman Sachs, but there are other investors involved in this token, and these are big names. Include Briar Capital, Pantera, Blockchain Capital, Accel, Tusk Ventures, and IDG Capital. You've seen those IDG commercials. IDG's in on it. So why I brought this one out is not for you to necessarily go buy the token. Like I said, we don't shill around here. I'm not telling you what to buy or sell. This is your money. What I'm showing you is real adoption, real market adoption by big name players. Big name players are stepping into the market this year. And going into next year, I'm telling you guys, next year, it's just going to be big name after big name after big name. What do you think is going to happen when Goldman Sachs is making all this money? What do you think their competitors are going to do? Well, we got to do the same thing. We got to put our money into this thing. So this thing is going to make our holdings rise. The whole cryptocurrency market is going to rise. Okay, so it's Friday night, so let's hurry up and get the hell out of here. And so let's get to the last story of the day. TRON. Shmar, you've been talking about TRON all week. Well, they're going to their mainnet, son. That's some good stuff. So, so this story is a little different. This isn't really an investment story. This is just a kind of fun story. TRON is giving away a dream home. Yes, you heard me right. TRON is giving away a dream home. So I guess if you look at the picture on the thing right there, right? Can you see that? That should be the house. I guess that's the house. Hold on, and let's read about it, all right? So here we go. I got to move in here. Justin Sun, the creator of TRON, TRX, surprises this cryptocurrency supporters with yet another giveaway. So apparently TRON's been giving away Lamborghinis and they've been giving away cars. Now it looks like the guy wants to give away a house. I'll take it. Another giveaway. This time, Sun is planning on gifting crypto enthusiasts with a dream home. All right. So TRON gives away a dream. TRON gives away a dream home. TRON is coming closer and closer to the most important date in its history thus far, with only 2 weeks standing between it and its mainnet launch. We've been talking about that. I told you guys I'm going to have the mainnet launch. Look, I don't even have to lie to you. Just put your TRON, if you're a TRON holder, just put it on Binance, and you're going to get your new currency, okay? Put your TRON on Binance. But I will be giving you information about which exchanges are going to uphold the TRON mainnet swap of tokens, okay? In 2 weeks, combine that with rumors that TRON might be listed on Coinbase, and it is clear that big things are coming its way. Only last December, the team behind TRON tried to pull off this same tactic. Back then, the giveaway included a Mercedes-Benz and a Maserati. The new one includes a dream home which Sun personally announced on his Twitter. Blah, blah, blah. You can read those Twitters yourself later, okay? It's Friday night. We got to get the hell out of here. So let's hurry up. Let me get this over with. Excuse me. This time, however, the price is much bigger than a Maserati than anyone would have guessed. It's an entire mansion. TRON is giving away an entire mansion. Buy TRON. Buy TRON. I don't know. I don't play the lottery. I don't buy those little tickets and crap like that at what do you call these little corner stores and stuff. Well, but if it's something crazy like 700 million, then I buy one just for the hell of it. But it's like a lottery right now. So buy some TRON. Buy some TRON. You might get a house. These guys are good like that, right? They're just giving it away. All right. So last year, it was a Maserati and a Mercedes-Benz. This year, we're taking our giveaway to so this is what Sun said. We're taking it away to a whole new level, a dream home. Stay tuned, TRON, blah, 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 blah. All right. So let's wrap this up now. The new rumor is circling around, and this one says that TRON, whoops, sorry guys, the fuck. This one says TRON might be coming to Coinbase as well. If this shit goes on Coinbase, look at here, motherfuckers. Look, guys. Look, just get yourself some TRON. If this shit goes on Coinbase, dollars, dollar bill, y'all. So anyways, this is big news for TRON, or TRX, especially since the mainnet is only 2 weeks away. It is not that surprising that Sun wants as much attention as he can get this time, hence the dream home. And of course, if Sun is truly trying this hard to get attention to his token, then you know that something is coming. You know something's coming. TRON is about to blast onto the world, guy. They're about to do their mainnet. You know what TRON is about? They do it's basically going to be a YouTube, except screw YouTube. Fuck YouTube paying you. You're going to get actual just money every time someone looks at your thing, whether YouTube likes it or not. So that's the news of the day, guys. Let's go back to the cryptocurrency market cap of the day. We have got Booyaka, $376 billion worth of market cap overall. Actually, and let me just tell you, the markets went down 60 billion this week. 60 million this week. That was a bummer. 19 billion in the last 24 hours. Everything is still green. Let's do a little quick refresh. See those numbers again. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Bitcoin just jumped. Oh, nice. Oh, everyone's in the green. All right. So, folks, woo! In the money. We're in the money. All right. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar, IOTA, and TRON all in the green right now since I've started talking. See what I'm saying? Because that's what good luck I am. My name's Shamari. Thanks for coming out. Please subscribe. There will be a little subscription button right down there. Please subscribe so that these videos can... let me get my face on here for you. So that these videos can be put up to the top of the list and everyone can learn something. Listen, guys, EOS and TRON are moving to their main nets. I'm going to have 2 videos out there for you. Definitely tonight, probably, but tomorrow, if anything. It's Friday night in South Beach, so things get a little rowdy around these parts. But that's it. Please subscribe, and see you later. Thanks for coming out. Goodbye.